CQ, 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 calling CQ, CQ, CQ 80 meters, CQ, 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 CQ 80 meters for an antenna test for YouTube. This is November 8, November Kilo, November 8, November Kilo. CQ, 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 CQ 80 meters, CQ, CQ, CQ for an antenna test, CQ, CQ, CQ for an antenna test for YouTube. This is November 8, November Kilo, November 8, November Kilo, over. CQ, 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 CQ 80 meters, CQ, CQ 80 for an antenna test for YouTube. This is November 8, November Kilo, November 8, November Kilo in Clio, Michigan, over. We'll try here. Here we go. CQ, 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 CQ 80 meters, CQ, 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 CQ 80 for an antenna test for YouTube. This is November 8, November Kilo, November 8, November Kilo in Clio, Michigan, over. Okay, I've flopped on phone, but here's a West Virginia QSO party. Activator calling CQ. See what we can do. Oops. I sent the wrong call. Holy crap, he's got people lined up to call him? Really? Hang on. I can't compete with anybody. Well, if nothing else, you heard a ham call him, work him in Illinois and another one in Oklahoma. He was really strong, but he's in the noise now. There's no chance. I'll pause this, and if he comes back up out of the noise, I'll try again. Ah. Come on, come on. Oh my God. And just like that, I have won the TM challenge for 2020. Of course, I'm the only contestant in the challenge, but you know what, man? I work. Terry Morse. Morse? Where did that come from? I'm sweating and I'm excited. Terry Morris, be advised, good man, you have issued me a challenge. Yeah, work, throw the wire on the ground and work. I shouldn't use a bad voice. Hey, you ought to throw the wire on the ground and work someone, man. Okay. Challenge accepted. Challenge conquered. West Virginia? Really? With a piece of speaker wire laying on the grass. Of course, it's 101 feet long with about probably 2.5 feet folded back on itself right now, with the alligator clip laying on the piece of wood that I allowed myself. In the second rule adaptation. And yeah, and it's being used with the 4-to-1 tap. Right now I'm not using Little Schmo. I'm using the dual core FT140 43 Unun, or more properly called Union. And I'm using the wire in basically quarter wave mode as a shortened, inductively base-loaded quarter wave vertical, and no sir, no ma'am. This is silly, man. It's a shortened quarter wave mobile antenna that's laying on the ground and operated against the counterpoise wires that I pointed out in the other video. So dang, man, I was hoping to work some contacts using sideband, and I'm going to try. It's just that there's a storm approaching tonight, and given that the ground is very conductive and my antenna lies upon it and is connected electrically by my antenna tower, blades of grass. You know what, man? It's a bunch of silly crap. It really is. And I didn't, did I expect to work somebody? Yeah, I did, man. And thank God I finally did. How long did it take? What you didn't see was a couple other one was 4 minutes long and one was 5 minutes long. And I did set the phone up in front of the radio and up in the phone portion of the van, and I called CQ endlessly, you know. Every variant of CQ I called endlessly, and there were no takers. So I'm going to try. I hate trying to break into a net. I hate to. I hate to. I feel stupid. I'm not a phone op. I'm a many-year experienced CW op who knows very little about phone etiquette these days. So if I have to utter the word contact to break into the net, that's fine. I just want to see if anyone can hear this wire laying upon a terra firma. God. Thank God. Now I can relax. And I do hereby formally and publicly accept the award of bullshit for winning the TM challenge. I crown myself with bullshit. That's what I get. That's what I deserve. And that's it. After I post this video, I should, in honor of Mr. Commentor TM, I should just burn all the originals to a DVD, edit them all together, send it to him, and let him post them on his channel. Yeah, it's quite amazing. Quite amazing. Yeah, I think I've used this phrase in the past. Before you clown on me, man. No, you can't use the word man. Before you clown on me, listen to this. That was fun. It was hard work. It was very fun. Thanks for watching this long, boring, silly video. I wish you all well. 73.